Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by. In this video we're going to take a look at a USB microphone. The reason for this is to improve the sound quality on my videos. At the moment I'm just using a standard camera with the microphone built in. At the end of this video we'll see what this sounds like, so you can decide if it's something that you want to do to improve the sound quality on your videos as well.
It's a Sudotack ST-810 and this is a USB microphone. So you don't need any external amplifiers or preamps to use it, you just plug it straight into your laptop or your PC and you can start using it. As you can see, plug and play, there's a stand with it, it's got a large microphone diameter, it's a cardioid microphone, it's all metal and it's compatible with Windows and Mac. On Windows it's supposed to be just a case of plug it in and everything is already installed, all your drivers are already there for you. Nothing extra to install. So inside we've got a user manual, very little to it. In fact it just opens like that. We have the vibration bracket, USB lead, the foam topper, part of the desktop mount, the actual USB microphone itself. Quite nicely made, it's all metal, it's quite weighty, USB port on the bottom. As it's a cardioid, they usually work best just at the front and they hardly pick anything up behind and on top, so they're quite good for voice work if you're in a noisy environment. I'll do a quick demonstration of it later so you can see what they sound like later on in this video. And then underneath we have the spit guard and the base. That's quite a nice weighty base. So I shall pop this together. Now we need to put the vibration mount on. Again, that just screws on. Now we'll put the spit guard on. This is just a clamp, so we need to open it up. So we just fasten it into place and then adjust it to your position that you require once you've set the microphone up. So now we'll put the microphone on and get the USB lead, bring that through, connect it to the bottom of the microphone. Place the microphone in position, make sure you put that towards you because that's the best position for sound. Should just slide in, it will be tight. And it's just a case to set the microphone up for your position once you have it in situ. But there we are, just an example of what it looks like. All in all, it feels quite substantial. You're not going to knock it over very easy. As you can see, you've got more chance of knocking it across the table than you have actually knocking it over. And you get a nice long USB lead that looks to be a couple of meters long. So what I'll do now is I'll take this into my office and connect it up to my PC and let you see what it sounds like.
Right, we're back in my office and now we're going to do some sound tests. This is how it normally sounds on the computer, recording without a microphone connected directly. What I'm going to do now is connect the USB microphone. There's no drivers or anything, it's just simply a case of plug it in and let Windows detect it, and then change your software so it records from the USB microphone rather than the built-in microphone on the computer.
Okay, so we've connected up the microphone and this is what it sounds like. Very simple to do, just plug it in, change your software settings for what sound card it's using in terms of the inputs, change it so it comes up and it will say USB Realtek audio microphone, and this is how it sounds. So I'm just going to give a quick demonstration of the directional sound on it and the buffer background noise. So I'll just turn it round now. You should notice that my voice fades away. It's still here, you can still hear it, but it's quieter than it was when I was just talking around the front. I'll continue to waffle so you can hear, bring it back round to the front, and my voice should get stronger again. So there we go. I'm quite impressed with it. Initial impressions, it seems a very nice microphone, well made. For the money, which was £50, it's quite good. You don't need to buy any optional equipment like a preamplifier or a different sound card or a phantom power supply or anything like that. So all in all, I think it's okay. I'm going to start using it on my future videos. So let me know in the comments what you think. Yes, I know I've got a face for radio, so you don't need to tell me that. But thanks for watching. And as usual, please subscribe and help me grow the channel. Okay guys, thanks a lot for watching. Bye for now.